hi.
Hi!
Oh, Jake's ready.
I'm in the dog food.
She's in the dog dock. Yeah, it's pretty easy, right? Yeah, see? That's right, folks. It is happening. Packing up. It's Memorial Day weekend, and we're taking the boat out for its maiden voyage. Yeah, that's right. Look at that bad boy. Look at that license plate, too. I'm catching all the cool license plates. Look at that Shelby GT. Perfect burgundy color. Oh. That's probably the coolest boat I've seen in a while. Just got it all. Even the platform in the back, you've never seen anything like that. Nice. Look at that.
There's a star right there.
She's so tan.
Hi, Ari.
Be sure you subscribe to SK Lifestyle. Yeah, that's right. You just want to hit that subscribe button right there and that notification bell. Backing up.
That's a form.
Yep.
You need to charge the battery.
Alright, let's see what it do.
Oh, this is the first time.
I need to do the tires a little bit more. Like another 5 PSI. Ride around the campground or, you know, whatever. No one's gonna bother you if you're going up and down the street with it. Alright, so she started up. Let's do this. Yeah, SK Lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button. I tell you, it's a lot of work getting the boat ready. I'm sure after a few times we'll kind of have it down. We're doing really good though. We're real prepped. We're getting everything set in the boat right now. But yeah, almost time to take off. Almost. And here's our little setup. Towing the boat. Just got to move those chucks out the way and we're about to be all aboard on that big boy, towing her down the road in just a second. Good boy. See, that's how you go up. That's how you go up. You're ready for the parade. My honey. Chilling on the tailgate. Pretty nice. Little pup doing great. Such a good boy. Best job ever. Oh. Hi, Ari! Woo! Wow, he really has something there too. These are vultures.
I'm
in the water like an old lady right now.
Once it's all the way blown up, he's gonna love that kid. Hi!
Go, pup. Yeah. Yeah, go.
I want to be on it.
I know, you want to be on TV so badly.
Oh, you just sunbathing, huh, Jake? Huh, Jakey boy? Oh, you love it out here, huh? Yeah. I'll say I was definitely like, because we didn't get to do much water stuff, like got the little pool for him. And I'm just like, I really hope he just jumps on it. And I'm so happy he's just all about this because this is what we do on this channel, right? You already know. Now we got the pup.